Hypertension is regarded as typical avoidable danger element for heart-related illnesses. Over 1 billion people around the world have high blood pressure, which is defined as systolic blood pressure values of 130 mm Hg or more, diastolic blood pressure of more than 80 mm Hg, or both. A healthy diet plan is crucial for reducing high blood pressure and keeping ideal amounts, and studies have shown that including particular foodstuffs in your diet, especially those filled with specific nutrients like potassium and magnesium, minimizes your blood pressure levels. Quantities. Just how to control high blood pressure. One. Eat less salt. We have been informed repeatedly that way too much salt causes a surge in blood pressure levels. While an enormous just about all studies have shown that having a fall in salt usage, you may say an autumn in blood circulation pressure amounts, it could vary from person to person. 2. Stressful situations. Raise the bloodstream. Stress. So keep relaxed. Stress does raise your blood circulation pressure, and for those enduring high blood pressure, stress might also trigger some type of cardio harm. 3. Workout. To stay healthier. Also to keep your BP within proposed amounts. People are acclimatized to snack, specifically on deep-fried dishes, and so some type of exercise is recommended. High blood pressure diet plan. 1. Banana. These lightweight, easy-peel fruits aren't only sweet and reduced in sodium, they have been furthermore full of potassium that will help reduce hypertension levels. To incorporate even more bananas to your diet, add it to your cereal, cake, loaves of breads, smoothies and milkshakes. Or try grilling or sautéing banana halves, then top it by having an information of frozen yogurt. 2. Spinach. This green leafy pleasure is lower in calories, filled with fiber, and filled with vitamins like potassium, folate, magnesium, vital components for bringing down and maintaining high blood pressure levels. Did you know that half a cup of prepared spinach provides around 12% of an adult's advised day-to-day calcium consumption? Require a simple method for consuming more of this great green. Include fresh spinach results into salads or snacks. 3. Celery. Treatments. Experts used celery for reducing high blood pressure for ages. Research has shown that eating as few as 4 celery stalks a day can lessen high blood pressure. It includes phytochemicals named phthalate that relax the muscles into the artery wall space, allowing increased circulation and, in change, bringing down high blood pressure. If you love this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. 4. Oatmeal. Eating an eating plan packed with fiber and entire grains assists the body maintain a healthier blood pressure levels, and oatmeal does exactly that. It can help decrease both your systolic and diastolic anxiety. This low-sodium food are ready as being a hot cereal and topped with fruit or utilized in pancakes. You can actually add it to numerous prepared items. 5. Avocados. The oleic acid present in avocados can lessen hypertension and cholesterol levels. Avocados also contain potassium and folate, which both required for heart wellness. It's full of nutrients A, K, B and E as they are laden with fiber. 6. Watermelon. It has an amino acid called L-citrulline, which include proven to lower blood pressure. Watermelon is just a heart wellness marketing meals laden up with fiber, lycopenes, supplement D and potassium. Every one of these nutrients have bloodstream pressure lowering effects. Include this delectable fruit to your diet and watch for miracle to happen. 7. Beetroot. This crimson root vegetable is filled with nitrates, which will be thought to flake out blood vessels and improve blood supply. Eating 1 glass of beet liquid can produce a 5-point fall in blood pressure levels, in accordance with a 2012 Australian study. The effect might be better yet from the long term if they are consuming it time upon time. Yes, beetroot juice lowers systolic high blood pressure in a handful of hours. 8. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are full of Ag-E supplement, folic acid, required necessary protein and dietary fiber. Merely a wide range of sunflower seeds make it possible to lower your high blood pressure and promote your heart health. Also, they are outstanding availability of magnesium. In addition, they create a healthier treat, but make sure to buy all of them unsalted to be able to minimize your sodium consumption. If you love this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.